All right, this is actually one of the products that I sold on Amazon. It's sold out, like completely, all units sold out. Didn't go down the branding avenue, didn't need to, already packaged, already quite nicely. And this is a simple product. Let me just show you, right? So this is it here. It's a door lock. It's a portable door lock. Okay, so very, very basic product. So let me just show you how it works here. Okay, so you've got the product here. So when you're traveling around and you want security and safety, you just insert it in here. It's basically about this, something like that. Yeah, like that. There you go. Right, and then you simply put that, hook it on there. Now, even if the maid at the hotel has a key to get in, right? Those pesky people that try to get in when you're getting down and busy. Like this is unlocked right now. I can't even, you can't even open the door, right? It's impossible. It's impossible. It's perfect, right? So if you travel a lot, which probably isn't happening, and to remove it, you just unhinge it there. That's it. So dormitories, hostels. If you go there, right, there's nothing wrong with them. If you travel a lot, right, this particular product is perfect. You can buy it for $1. That's how much it cost me, $1. $1 Australian. I was selling it for $17 Australian. Not a bad marker. Now, it's not going to make you rich. You're not going to retire from your job with that one product, but it is your first product, right? It's your first product that is simple, it's lightweight, it comes packaged, already packaged, right? It's such a simple product, right? It looked good, came with a little canvas bag as well, right? Actually, I think it came with, it comes with instructions. What do you know? Look at that, it comes with instructions as well. All right, so the portable door lock, it comes with instructions, which is sometimes what you need because some of these products are actually quite complicated. It comes with instructions in Spanish, Español, hablas español, right? So this is, like I said, it's not going to make you rich, right? The markup was good, the buck, selling them for $17, but it's your first product. And then you build on this. This is your first product in portable security or homewares or home security. But then you build another product, then you jump on another product, and then another product, and slowly you start having 15, 16 products, and then suddenly that $16 difference, the profit margin, whatever the profit margin was, right? I can't recall, but whatever that is, it starts to add up because now you have product lines, all right? So, this isn't necessarily, so start thinking, get outside the box, brainstorm product ideas because there's simple products out there, a lot of them exist that are profitable, and you just gotta, if you just want to learn the process to getting something up on Amazon, try these out. Well, not necessarily this product, but try a product, a similar product. So have a great day. Talk soon. See you later.